Alex here, and a question I've been asked is, does Schema offer any reporting features or abilities to analyze the metrics of your project? And the answer is yes. If you go to Schema's key figures page, you'll find a multitude of reports created and live calibrated, analyzing all the metrics of your entire project. So for example, you'll have an entire unit mix summary and an entire area schedule summary. Now, if I wanted to create my own report, my own custom report on one of my metrics, what I could do is go down to this bottom reporting area, create a new report, and then start to structure and customize my report out. So for example, in my row groups, I'll put my building name and I'm going to put my block name. So you can see I have my whole building selected here, and I also have specific blocks selected as well. Now I'm going to structure out my column labels, and I'm going to put unit type. So I'm going to drop this into unit type, and you'll see all my different units that are within my project are now within this column. And once again, I'm going to put in unit type in the values, so whatever metric I want to create and analyze within this report. So I'm going to put this values here, select what I want, and I'm going to hit total count. As you'll see, it's live calibrated a total count of units within the project itself and within each block. Now, the last thing I can do to finish off this report is name it. So I'll title this unit count. And then what I can do is right click on my building one and export this to a CSV or Excel file, and it will show up in the same structure that you created in Schema.